dear children, once again welcome to our English class. In previous class we discussed on reading B in unit 1 in 10th class. That is, every success story is also a story of great failures. We have completed 2 paragraphs. So what did we learn from those? What did Watson Senior said? How Abraham Lincoln got success from his failures? We have all learned those. So today we are going to learn some personalities. Though they failed, initially they failed like Abraham Lincoln, but later with their dedication, commitment and perseverance they ultimately got success. So how did they get success? How didn't they stop? What strategies they used? Let us all today discuss. Okay. So let us move on the next paragraphs. Before that, my dear children, just open your textbook at the page number 18. You have to see last paragraph. Okay.
Students, let us read the glossary. Charge. To accuse somebody formally of a crime so that there can be a trial in court. District Attorney. In the USA, a lawyer who is responsible for bringing criminal charges against somebody in a particular area or state. Fraudulent. Dishonest and illegal. Stock. A share that somebody buys in company. Humiliate. To make somebody feel ashamed. Editorial. An article written by the editor of a newspaper. Beat up. Old and damaged. Social security. In the USA, a system in which people pay money regularly to the government when they are working and receive payments from the government when they are unable to work, especially when they sick or too old to work. Recipe. A set of instructions that tells you how to cook something and the ingredients, items of food you need for it. Mouse infested shed. Shed full of mice. Gear. The machinery in a vehicle such as a car, truck or bicycle that we use to go comfortably at different speeds. Fail forward. Learn from failures and move forward. Broke. Without money. Phonograph. A sound player. In spite of problems. Though there were problems. Fired. Removed from service. Dear students, let us move on to the paragraphs. First, let us know about Lee De Forest, one of the fathers of the electronic age. He was an American inventor with over 180 patents to his credit. He invented the Audion, a vacuum tube that takes relatively weak electrical signals and amplifies them. Amplifies means sound. In 1913, when he invented Triodes tube, he was charged by the district attorney for fraudulent means to mislead the public into buying stocks of his company by claiming that he could transmit the human voice across the Atlantic. He said that it was possible with the invention of Triodes tube, but the district attorney didn't trust him. He was insulted and punished by the attorney. Can you imagine where we would be without his invention? We can't imagine the present technological world without the invention of Triodes tube. Is he a failed person? No, we can't say he is failed. Here is one quotation. In grief, you will find courage and faith to overcome the setback. Setbacks means difficulty. Now about Wright brothers. A New York Times editorial on December 10, 1903 questioned the wisdom of the Wright brothers who were trying to invent a machine heavier than air that would fly. Wright brothers did not bother about editorial comment. 1 week later, at Kitty Hawk, the Wright brothers took their famous flight, that is, their determination. Here quotation, the motivation to succeed comes from the burning desire to achieve a purpose. Now, Colonel Sanders. Colonel Sanders, with a beat up car and a $100 check from Social Security, realized he had to do something at the age of 65. He remembered his mother's recipe and went out to sell it. He knocked more than 1,000 doors before he got his first order. Now he is an American businessman and world famous restaurateur who founded the Kentucky Fried Chicken, that is KFC, chain restaurants. Here quotation, we need to learn to become victors and not victims. He said, we always become victors, not victims. About Walt Disney. As a young cartoonist, Walt Disney faced many rejections from newspaper editors who said he had no talent. One day, a minister at a church hired him to draw some cartoons. Disney was working out of a small mouse-infested shed near a church. After seeing a small mouse, he was inspired. He created Mickey Mouse, the famous cartoon icon. Now he is an American animator, film producer, director, screenwriter, voice actor, etc. He created some of the world's most well-known fictional characters, including Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. Here is the quotation. Successful people don't do great things. They only do small things in a great way. Now, let us know about the world famous scientist Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Edison was partially deaf. When he was 4 years old kid, he came home with a note in his pocket from his teacher. Your Tommy is too stupid to learn. Get him out of the school. His mother read the note and answered, my Tommy is not stupid to learn. I will teach him myself. And that Tommy grew up to be the great Thomas Edison. After 10,000 attempts, he invented light bulb. He said, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. He invented 1,093 inventions. In 1914, Edison at age 67 lost his factory, which was worth a few $1 million on fire. No longer a young man, Edison watched his lifetime effort go up in smoke and said, all our mistakes are burnt up. Thank God we can start anew. In spite of the disaster, 3 weeks later, he invented the phonograph. It is his attitude. Henry Ford forgot to put the reverse gear in the first car he made. It is his failure. He was broke at the age of 40, means he did not have money. But later he established the world famous Ford car manufacturing company. His quotation, whether you think you can or you can't, you are right. Lee Iacocca was removed from his job by Henry Ford too. He did not disappoint. He joined in Chrysler Corporation. Later he became the chairman of Chrysler Corporation that produces world famous Chrysler cars. Let us know about Beethoven, a German composer and pianist. He remains one of the most famous and influential of all composers. He gave some of the best music to the world. But at his young age, he was told that he had no talent for music. Here is the quotation. Setbacks are inevitable in life. A setback can act as a driving force and also teach us humility. Do you consider these people failures? They succeeded in spite of problems, not in the absence of them. But to the outside world, It appears as though they just got lucky. All success stories are stories of great failures. The only difference is that every time they failed, they bounced back. This is called failing forward rather than backward. You learn and move forward. Learn from your failure and keep moving.
Students, I hope you have understood all these. Let me stop here. Remaining parts will be discussed in next class. Okay. What should you do? Just before attending the class, just read the paragraphs. You have to read the paragraphs. So please do that and underline hard words. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next class.